Yes, my people, welcome back. It's currently the 1st of September, new month, new month. Currently 8 in the morning, 8:22 a.m. And I'm in this gold cell. I'm in this gold cell. Um, Price is moving so nicely. And I'm gonna break it down right now. So if we go on the 4 hour time frame, actually forget the 4 hour. Let's go on the hour. Actually, let's start with the weekly, just to show you lot that this is where we are right now. Okay, so this is where we are. We're not quite at all-time highs. All-time highs was over here. This was in of the week beginning 21st of April. That's when we hit all-time highs on the gold. So we're not quite there yet. But what I saw on the hour was this. We had this high over here, candlestick up, then a candlestick down. Yeah, that created this high. You can see price swept this high and we closed below. The time I took the trade, we actually hadn't closed below an hour, but we were 5 minutes from closing. I believe I took it at 7:55, around that time. Um, I can also see that we've created two fair value gaps on the hour time frame. So I knew that from external liquidity, we're gonna come and we're gonna tap into this internal range liquidity over here. All right, external to internal, vice versa. So we came, you can see from this area here, this was internal range liquidity. We tapped into this FVG on the hour, pushed up, created a high, price came up, swept this high beautifully. Now we're coming in to tap back into internal range liquidity, which is this FVG here, or price could come down and tap into this FVG over here. So that is why I took sells. You can see this is the equilibrium of the FVG, the 50% or the halfway point. So from the range of this FVG, the halfway point is where this purple dashed line is, and that is actually where a 5 minute FVG lies as well. If you see here, we have this 5 minute FVG. So that is where my TP is. I believe price is gonna come and tap into this FVG on the hour. More specifically, I believe it's gonna come and tap into this 5 minute FVG that lies within the hour FVG. So this is my trade. What led me to take this trade is the fact that we had this FVG over here on the 5 minute and we inversed it. We inversed it and we closed nicely. And I took the trade. I had my SL. Well, I currently have my SL above this high. And yeah, TP at this level that I just explained. Price could come and we could even just drop lower, inverse this FVG, even drop into this FVG over here before eventually pushing up. I do believe we're gonna come and we're gonna definitely push up and create all-time highs once again this month, I believe. Or we couldn't, but it depends. It all depends on market structure and things, so yeah, but this is my trade right now. I'm currently up just over $1,000, 1.2K dollars, and that's on my 50K live funded account. In my last video, the anatomy of a trader, I explained and I give you guys the update that yes, I have passed my 50K evaluation, so I'm currently a 50K live funded trader. Praise be to God, that hasn't been easy, but we're here, so I give all the glory to him. He gives me the strength to do what I do. So yeah, it's a new month. It's a new month, so I'm excited for what this month will bring. I'm excited, and we're off to a great start already. Prices just shooting down beautifully. So I'm very confident that we're gonna hit TP on this trade. Currently up 1.4, 1.39. Yeah, it's beautiful. I don't know if you lot will be able to see this. Yeah. So yeah, that's the reasoning behind this trade. Very simple. Forex trading in general is very simple. You don't have to overcomplicate it. As you can see here, patience, discipline, and consistency. That is one of the main things you need to succeed in trading. Patience, discipline, and consistency. So you have to have patience when it comes to this trade here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't know how long it's gonna take to hit. We're not far away, but I have other stuff to do, so I'll jump back on when this trade hits TP. Yeah, I'll give you guys the update, and yeah, let's see how this trade goes. So I'll see you lot in a little bit. Yes, guys, so we're back. We're back. Basically, what happened was I got out the trade, and it might have been a jam. It might have been a jam, but I got out at this point here. The reason I got out is because as soon as we tapped into this FVG, we just shot up. That reaction, I didn't like the reaction at all. If you go on the hour time frame here, you can see not only did we sweep this low, but we tapped into the FVG and then we closed all the way up here. To me, that's just an indication that now, from this point, price is just going to continue up. You can see we're very bullish. We are very bullish. So for price to close like this and have such a reaction, to me, I had to just get out, because it's either I get out with some profit, or the trade just hits break even, or even just stop loss, right? So that's why I decided to exit this trade. Yeah, there's nothing really more to it than that. It could be a jam, it could not be. It could be smart thinking. It could be. Um, we have an FVG over here, which price could tap into potentially and then drop. Um, on the 15-minute price looks nice as well. It looks really nice, nice demand push. Got the 15-minute FVG over here, which we could respect and drop. Got the FVG here as well, could respect and drop. So yeah, we did invest this one. So price could still drop. Price could still drop, but to me, because of how we closed on the hour time frame, I decided to get out of the trade. I did close with $500, so that's 1%. Yeah, it's a shame because we was floating 3%. We was floating 3% and we was so close to TP. So close. And then we just reversed completely. So yeah, I decided to get out of the trade. So that will literally be it for today. I'm not gonna re-enter on this. Um, yeah, if I jammed is what it is. I'll journal it. And we can learn from it and improve for next time. But that'll be it for today. So I'll see you lot in the next video.